everyone. So today we are going to start our second part of exercise 13.1, that is question number 9, and the question is: a rectangular park is 45-meter long and 30-meter wide, and a path of 2.5-meter wide is constructed outside the park. That means we have a rectangular park of length 45 meter and with breadth 30 meter. Now a 2.5 meter wide cross path is constructed outside of this park. That means this is 2.5 meter and this breadth is also 2.5 meter and this is also 2.5 meter. So the whole length will be 45 plus 2.5 plus 2.5, that one will be 50 meter. Same as it is the breadth of 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 equals to 35. So here we have to find the area of this path. So area of this path can be find out by the area of whole path, area of park with path minus area of this inside park. So when we subtract the area of park from the area of park with the road, we can find the area of path. So here area of park with path, that is length into breadth minus L1 into B1, we can say that. So length into breadth in this case is 50 into 35 minus 45 into 30. So here we get 1750 minus 1350. So here we get 400 meter square. So the area of path of this rectangular park is the 400 meter square. Now the 10th question: a carpet of size 5 meter wide long and 2 meter wide has 25 centimeter wide red border. Okay, so the carpet is like this. Student, here is the measurement of this whole carpet is given. So here is 5 meter wide and 2 meter breadth. So 5 meter is the length and 2 meter is the breadth of this carpet. So here is 25 centimeter wide red border. The inner part of the carpet is blue in color. Find the area of blue portion. So here student, this inside portion is blue and this is red portion and 25 centimeter wide. This is the red. So here same as it is like this. Here the inside measurement is given and here is outside measurement is given. We can find the measurement of inside blue portion and then we can find the area of blue and then area of red. And after it we can find also the cost of this red portion. And also the ratio of red and blue we can find out. Now 11th is same as it is as 10th. Now the 12th question: there is a park and a cross path is made up of in between of the park. Fine. And the length and breadth of the park is 70 meter and 45 meter. This is 70 meter and this is 45 meter. And here the width of this path is 5 meter all around. So here we are putting the mark A, B, C, D, E, F and G, H, I, J, K, L. Fine. So we have to find the area of this path. So student, when we will find the area of this rectangular park and when we add the area of this rectangular park, this IJLK portion of the road is added 2 times. So when we subtract 1 time the area of IJLK, we can easily find the area of this road. Fine. So first, how we can find the area of this rod? So we can find the area of rod equals to area of ABCD plus area of EFGH and 1 time subtraction of the area of IJKL. Fine. So here how we can find area of ABCD, in which AB is the length and BC is the breadth, and in EFGH, EG is the breadth and EF is the length, minus IJ into JK, length and breadth. So here is AB is 70, BC is 5, width of the rod, plus EG is 45 and the breadth is 5, then minus 5 into 5. So here we get 350 plus 225 minus 25. So here we get 350 plus 200, that is equals to 550 meter square. So this one is the area of this path. And now we have to find the cost of constructing this road. So the cost will be equals to rate into area. The rate of this constructing rod is 105 rupees per meter square and the area is 550 meter. This is, and so here is the cost is rupees 57,750. So this is the cost of constructing a rod. Now the next question. Question number 13. A rectangular park is 10 meter long and 7.5 meter wide. Find the cost of covering the floor of the carpet, that is 1.25 meter wide and 250 rupees per meter is the cost. So student, here we can find the area of room. That is length into breadth, and the length is 10 meter and the breadth is 7.5 meter. This is 75 meter square is the area, and the rate of this room at which it's covering with carpet is rupees 250 per meter. So here we can find the cost, that is area upon, student, here the rate is 250 rupees per meter, and also the width of carpet is given, that is 1.25 meter. So here width of the carpet, that means area divided by the width of the carpet into rate. Fine. So that one will be equals to 75 upon 1.25 into, student, when we remove this decimal we get 100 here, and this one is multiplied with 250, that is the rate of carpet. Fine. So here when we divide 125 1 ja 125, and this is 125 2 ja 250. So here 75 into 2 is 150 and 00. So 15,000 rupees is the cost of carpeting the floor of the room. Now student, 14, 15, 16 questions are same as the above, and now the 17th question. In 17th question, the area of the rectangular park is given. That is a rectangular plot that is 460 meter square, and it's given that if length is 15% more than its breadth, so let breadth equals to x, so length will be x into it's 15% more, that means 15% more, that means let this one is 100, and when we add 15 we get 115. So this one is 115 and 100 is the breadth. So here when we cancel out it 5 to ja 20 0. This is 23 upon 20 x. Now area is given, so we can say that area equals to length into breadth. Here area is 460, that is equals to 23 upon 20 into x, and into x again for the breadth. So here this one is x square, that is equals to 460, and when we take this 20 in left side, this one will be multiply and 23 will be in divide. 23 1 ja 23, 23 2 ja 46 equals to 0 20, and here we get 400. So x will be equals to 400 under root, that is 20 meter. Fine. So here we can say that breadth equals to 20 meter and length will be equals to 23 upon 20 into 20, that is 23 meter. Fine. The next we have to find the perimeter of this plot. Perimeter is 2 into L plus B. Now 2 into length is 23 plus breadth is 20. So 2 into 43 we get 86 meter of the perimeter of this plot. So here we have completed our exercise 13.1.